Hi guys, Vlad here. Today I have successful repair for you. This was the quickest repair in this batch. It literally took me like 15 minutes to fix this phone. So that's very good, so I can work on the other phones. Enjoy the video. So this is 6S. This is the one of two I have left. Overall condition is okay. There is a magnet sign here and the screen is replaced. It's not original one. It's not broken, but I don't know if it's working. Speakers are clean, body is not cracked, buttons work, all of them, camera is fine, SIM tray present, phone is not bent. Alright, let's hook it up to the charger. Okay, it's a 1.2 amps, phone is definitely charging, but we don't have image. We don't have anything there. Okay, let's straight away disassemble and check with the new screen. So I took out the screen and that connector is slightly water damaged. Let's clean a bit and remove the sticker. Yeah, after a light clean, connector looks good. Yeah, connector looks fine. I will just connect a new screen and we'll see. I will be not connecting the battery because I want to see just the Apple logo. Yeah, we don't have anything on the screen. Let's see under the light. No, under the light we don't have as well. That means that we don't have image and don't have backlight. Okay, let's diode mode the connector against ZXW and check. Okay, we'll start from the left side there. So this is ground, it's correct. This is 400. This is short circuit. I had already video about that. So in the last job the problem was this capacitor on the end there. So let's straight away remove it and see if it's exactly the same. Maybe it will be very quick fix. And yes, it was. We don't have short anymore. So let's see if we have image now. I didn't even took the phone out from the housing. Let's see if the original screen works. Yes, we have Apple logo. Let's connect phone completely with the battery and see what we're doing there. Yeah, we have a battery logo. And now we'll wait till the phone comes on. So, phone came on. Button works. Let's see if the Touch ID working. And Touch ID works. That's very good. That's very good. So phone is activated. Let's open camera straight away. And camera is working fine. Front camera is working fine as well. Proximity. Proximity works. Speaker works. Let's leave sound. Switch works, sound works. This is 32 gigabyte 6S. Battery is 90%. That's very good. That's very good. Let's see for microphone. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Microphone works. Yeah, we have IMEI number as well. That's mean that all functions work. What I will do, I will replace a screen because I don't like how it looks. It's cheap replacement screen, and they have already the gluing lines there. I will not be selling this phone in this condition. I will add the expense of the screen. That will be fine. So, and that's it. This phone is ready for sale. So let's talk numbers. It was iPhone 6s 32GB gray unlocked. IMEI number ends with these digits. There was no image, so I confirmed phone is booting up and charging the battery, but there was a black screen. So I opened that up. I didn't take motherboard out, straight away checked and noticed that there is a line shorted, and I removed one capacitor, the same capacitor I removed in the previous video with the same phone, so it was exactly the same failure point there. It's fixed straight away the phone. I spent literally like 10 minutes on that phone assembling, disassembling, and after that I removed the screen and replaced the screen. So total time was about 15 minutes, like maybe for that phone, but I still add here half an hour, so it's kind of optimizes the time there. Anyway, yeah, phone is working now. Phone is ready for sale. I replaced the screen because I didn't like how that third-party screen looked there. I have better screens, so I'm not ashamed to sell this phone, and the cost for that is 16 euro. I'm adding charger here, and the current price in the CEX for this phone is 122 euro. Yeah, 122 euro they offers for 6s 32GB. So I'm making 55 euro 71 cents and 114% of my money there. Sometimes I'm getting the phones that I order, for example, for very cheap cost there, for example 20 or 30 or 40 euro, and they are easy fixes there, like this phone for example. You just one shorted capacitor and the phone was not water damaged, phone was not corroded, phone was not bent or something like that. Yeah, it's I consider this very easy fix and very good money on your investment there. But still you don't get that often. It's more kind of a luck because I'm buying rubbish from internet and trying to fix it. Somebody been there before, somebody tried to fix that phone, they at least try different parts to verify it's not the screen, it's motherboard, and only then they sell it on eBay for example, and people like me buy these phones. Yeah, so I know what I'm getting there, and sometimes you get lucky getting deals like that. I'm usually getting the jobs like I did today from customers, from normal customers that are walking to the shops. These jobs are the best. They are real money makers. For example, in the recent year or 2 years, yeah, there was audio IC issue on the iPhone 7. It's like every day mostly you have a one phone with this issue or multiple phones with this issue because that phone was popular here, and these issues you can fix like in the 20-30 minutes if it goes from first try, and you don't even need to rebuild the chip if you are skilled enough. Yeah, so these jobs really makes a lot of money, and 3 or 4 years before that there were a lot of iPhone 6s around, and people were fixing the 6s with a no backlight or similar issues. So I guess this issue that I'm seeing now was very common at that time. So I will be ending this video here. I hope you like the video and see you in the next one.